Hi, wanna know how to connect your Sony WF-C700N to an Android phone? So, as a first step, we would need to open Bluetooth settings on our phone. For that, we can swipe to open the control panel and here hold our finger on this Bluetooth icon. After this, we will get to the Bluetooth settings. Now, we would need to take our earbuds and then just open the case. As a next step, we would need to find this button on the back of the case, here's it how it looks, and hold it until you can see this indicator at the front start blinking blue. So let's hold that button and take a look on the indicator at the front. You can see that the indicator is blinking by blue now, which means that our headphones are in deep pairing mode. So now we can turn off and then turn on the Bluetooth to renew the list and wait until we will be able to find the name of our earbuds. So now we would need to click on it, and after this, on this pop-up message, click pair. And this is it. As you can see now, our earbuds are connected for calls and also media. That's it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.